Hello guys, welcome back again to Bami's Kitchen where we make the most tasty and yummy recipes. Today I will be making yam frittata or crispy fried yam aka yam chips. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. This is my yam which I went ahead to cut into my desired shape. Now I'll be adding sweet paprika pepper. This is optional. I will also be adding some spicy aromatic blend. This is also optional as well. And then I will go ahead to add salt into this. All these ingredients or spices will take this yam to another level. And then I will give everything a thorough shake. Here I have my pot with hot oil already. I will be adding the yam into it. And if this is your first time of coming across any of my video, thank you for stopping by and please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you. Now I will be adding water into the yam to help the yam moist inside while it is crispy outside. You can skip this part. Since I discovered this secret, I have been enjoying my yam chips. And while frying, don't forget to stir this from time to time in order for the yam not to get burned. Now that the yam is well fried, I will go ahead to take this out of the oil and then I will set this aside. Look at our yam, look at how crispy and delicious it is. For the sauce, I have fresh sliced tomatoes, fresh pepper, and some onions. In a clean pan, I will be adding my vegetable oil and then I'll allow this to hot before adding the next ingredient. Now I'll be adding the onions and I will fry this for some minutes. Guys, please don't mind the burnt onions. I went to check up on my toddler. Now I added the fresh pepper. I will give this a stir and then I will be adding the fresh sliced tomatoes and I will stir everything together. Now I will add some curry powder into this. Now I'll be covering this to cook for 2 to 4 minutes and then open up the pan. I will be adding some Maggi and I will also add some salt to taste and then I'll give everything a stir. To take this sauce to another level, I'll be adding some boiled eggs and then I will allow to cook for few minutes. Our sauce is ready. I'll go ahead to dish some of those yam chips in my plate. And now I'll be adding some of those tasty and delicious sauce on the yam. And our dinner, lunch, or even breakfast is ready. Guys, this was so yummy, so delicious. Try this out. And if you do, please don't forget to tag me. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share. See you in my next video. Bye.